Tribe, what's up? It's your girl Shandism 101 back again with another video. And girl, today is Feeling Good Friday. So I just wanted to show you guys exactly what I went with for today's work day to take us into the weekend. And as you can see, girl, this unit is doing it. So let's get into the video. Alright guys, so as you can see, I do have a brand new unit on my head. This unit is from the Janet collection. It is named Marilyn and it is in the color Sandy Blonde. I am in love with this color right now. I'm actually about to get dressed. Head over to my Instagram at Shandism101 if you want to know what my finish look ended up looking like. The photos will be on my story. And I'll just post a link down in the description box so you can just easily get to it. Anyways, I have a lot of pros about this unit. First being the color. I absolutely love this color. I don't know, but it is doing it for my skin, sis. I feel like Goldilocks and the Three motherfucking Bears, girl. I feel like I ate the porridge. I did. And I do not care unapologetically. Like, this unit is just everything. I want it in another color, 1B. It is a very realistic and soft type of unit. It is very, very long. And I think this hair can get bigger. I love big hair. But the con that I do have, so there's a little bit of shedding as to be expected with this kind of unit. But also, I don't like how the curl pattern is one style up here, which is what attracted me to this unit. But it's something different down here. I don't know really how that happened. I'm not mad at it because it looks good and I think it kind of tames the unit a little bit, makes it easier and lighter to wear. Because honestly, I think you would think that this hair is really heavy. It's not. This is really, really light hair. And that's why I think this is a certified goodbye. And it's only $23.55 if you order from wigtypes.com. I think it's $25 on Sam's Beauty. So it just depends. Both sites have pros and cons, like the shipping and things like that. So you just got to decide when you're buying the wig. But yeah, I am happy about this. I'm feeling good this Friday in this unit. And so I hope you guys like this video. Alright guys, that's it for today's Feeling Good Friday. I hope you guys are feeling good too. Let me know what you are feeling good about in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my tribe by clicking that little link. And also, so that you never miss anything, turn those post notifications on. And I will see you guys next time.